Formex takes its best-selling sports watch to the next level. Meet the new Essence Ceramica, a full ceramic evolution of the brand's rugged COSC certified model. Formex has been known for tough, innovative watches since 2000. The Essence line, launched in 2018, brought sharp case architecture, a patented suspension system, and chronometer-grade accuracy. To celebrate its 25th anniversary, Formex launched its first full ceramic Essence with a skeleton dial. Now that same high-tech treatment comes to 4 closed dial models. Each watch uses the new 41mm case size, just 11.2mm thick with a 46.2mm lug-to-lug. Both case and bracelet are made from lightweight, scratch-resistant zirconium oxide ceramic. Only 56 grams for the head and 137 grams on the bracelet. The mix of brushed and polished finishes highlights the sharp lines, and the screw-down crown plus patented suspension system give you 100 meters of water resistance. Formex debuts the world's first micro-adjustable ceramic bracelet, letting you fine-tune the fit by 5mm without removing the watch. Quick-release end links make strap changes a breeze. 4 dial colors, Gamma Ray, Degradé, Blue and White, feature razor-sharp CNC grooves, hand-applied indices, and BGW9 Super Luminova for brilliant night visibility. Inside ticks a bespoke Soprod Newton P092, automatic developed exclusively for Formex. Chronofiable tested, COSC certified and running at 4 Hz. It offers a 44-hour power reserve and enhanced shock resistance thanks to its symmetrical architecture. The new Essence Ceramica starts at 2,990 Swiss francs or 3,490 euros, with pre-orders open now and deliveries expected end of October 2025.